clean too.
Yeah,
It
look
say
at the
Deluxe. And look what it says right here. Deluxe Harley Davidson. Deluxe. Now which one you say you like?
That Chevy Cobra.
Which one?
Chevy Cobra. I hate I got rid of my truck.
Yeah, yeah, I remember. I remember that red truck.
But you do stupid stuff when you grieving, you know?
Oh, this so nice right here. I want him to talk about this. Look in here. This is really, really nice. This is so nice. It's very unique and odd the way this is too. It really is. It looks nice, sir.
Yeah. It is. Look at that little girl in the window dancing. You see her?
Where?
Right here, behind. Look.
That's so nice.
It is.
Oh, this is pretty too. Look how they got the inside.
That's
oh,
nice.
Them like luxury. It's luxury. What year is this?
What did you have?